Legends of Learning presents the Numberlings, Angles and Asteroids game. This is a math game that makes learning about how angles are measured by number of degrees fun and easy to understand.
90 degrees.
In this informative, instructional game, help the Numberlings restore order in the galaxy by using angles to navigate an asteroid field, clear obstacles, and repair a broken satellite. It's their biggest adventure yet. You will be required to navigate their ship in the galaxy using your knowledge of angles. Use the mouse to click on the plus or minus buttons on the side of the screen to set the correct angle for the ship to navigate safely through an asteroid field. Be careful not to collide with the surrounding asteroids or you will lose a life. You will need to blast through an asteroid using the blast-o-matic machine to get to the satellite.
Target 90 degrees.
Use the mouse and hold and drag on the slider to the correct launch angle and click on the fire button.
90 degrees.
Upon reaching the satellite, you will be required to click and select the correct pieces to repair the satellite.
45 degrees.
Complete all the levels to win the game.
One half of a
Have
circle.
fun and enjoy playing.
And